1. HEM Glory Gone Siemens. HEM Glory Gone Siemens rugged smartphone is a formidable device designed to withstand the toughest conditions while delivering exceptional performance. Engineered with durability in mind, this smartphone is built to endure extreme environments, including water, dust, and shocks, making it an ideal companion for outdoor adventures, industrial settings, or anyone in need of a reliable device in harsh conditions. This phone laughs in the face of drops, bumps, and spills. It boasts IP68 and IP69K ratings, meaning it's dust-proof, waterproof for up to 30 minutes at 1.5 meters, and even withstands high-pressure water jets. Plus, it can survive drops from 1.5 meters onto concrete. The HEM Glory Gone Siemens boasts a rugged exterior that meets military-grade standards for protection against drops and impacts. Its reinforced casing and strengthened screen ensure resistance against accidental damage, enhancing longevity and reliability. 2. Helicontacts Range. The Helicontacts Range Tactical Gloves for those who value precision and comfort at the range. The Helicontacts Range Tactical Gloves are a trusted companion. Designed in collaboration with shooting experts, these gloves offer a perfect blend of functionality, skill, and protection. The key feature is the non-slip, durable synthetic leather on the palm, ensuring a confident hold on your firearm for improved trigger control and weapon manipulation. Strategic slits on the finger joints enhance flexibility and comfort while maintaining a secure grip. Made with breathable fabrics on the top of the hand, these gloves prevent overheating and sweating, which is crucial for maintaining focus and performance during extended shooting sessions. The elastic cuff provides a snug fit without restricting movement, and the paracord hanger loop allows for convenient storage. 3. Firestarter Survival Tool. Firestarter Survival Tool by Prepared 4X is a comprehensive all-in-one solution for igniting fires in any survival situation. Crafted with precision and innovation, this kit combines essential components into a compact and portable package, ensuring users can easily start fires even in adverse conditions. At the heart of the kit lies a high-quality ferro rod fire starter, featuring a patented design that maximizes spark production for reliable ignition. Paired with a durable steel fire striker, this combination offers dependable performance and longevity, allowing users to ignite fires with ease time and time again. Complementing the ferro rod and fire striker is a 36 waterproof tinder wick rope, designed to catch sparks and sustain flames in wet or windy environments. 4. Real Avid Pistol. Real Avid Pistol Tool for gun maintenance. For gun owners seeking a versatile and portable solution for maintenance and adjustments, the Real Avid Pistol Tool shines as a hero. This 19-in-1 multi-tool packs a punch, offering everything you need to keep your pistol in top shape, all tucked away in a compact, mag pouch-fitting design. Unlike generic multi-tools, the pistol tool boasts precision tools specifically designed for handgun maintenance. You'll find dedicated features like hex keys, bits, and a 1911 bushing wrench, ensuring perfect fit and functionality for popular striker-fired and 1911 platforms. This tool goes beyond screwdrivers. A handy Tonto knife tackles cleaning tasks, while the pick/scraper doer helps remove stubborn debris. Laser sight adjusters let you fine-tune your aim, and even a bottle opener is included for post-range refreshments. 5. Survival First Aid Kit. Survival First Aid Kit with 99 pieces of professional survival gear, housed in a large hiking backpack, stands as a comprehensive and essential companion for outdoor enthusiasts, adventurers, and emergency preparedness enthusiasts. This meticulously curated kit provides a diverse array of tools and supplies tailored to meet the demands of survival scenarios, ensuring individuals can effectively address injuries, emergencies, and unforeseen challenges in the wilderness or during emergencies. Containing a wide range of medical supplies, including bandages, gauze, antiseptic wipes, and trauma shears, this kit enables users to address injuries both minor and severe. Additionally, it includes survival essentials such as a multi-tool, compass, emergency blanket, whistle, and fire starter, empowering individuals to navigate, signal for help, and maintain warmth and shelter in adverse conditions. XX. Hogue 35339. The Hogue 35339 isn't your average pocket knife. This discreet, fixed-blade beauty packs a punch, making it a versatile companion for everyday carry, tactical use, or outdoor adventures. Measuring just 6.5 inches overall, with a 2.25-inch blade, the 35339 disappears comfortably in a neck sheath or pocket. Its lightweight G10 handle ensures minimal bulk, ideal for concealed carry without weighing you down. Choose between the classic clip point or the aggressive hawkbill blade, each crafted from high-quality 154 cm stainless steel. 7. Helicon Tex Hop. Helicon Tex Hop Hybrid Outback Tactical Pants are an innovative and versatile option for outdoor enthusiasts, adventurers, and tactical professionals seeking functionality, durability, and comfort in their apparel. Meticulously designed by Helicon Tex, renowned for its high-quality tactical gear, these pants combine rugged construction with intelligent features to meet the demands of various environments and activities. Constructed from a blend of durable fabrics, the Hop tactical pants offer exceptional resistance to abrasions, tears, and the elements, while ensuring freedom of movement and breathability. The hybrid design incorporates stretch panels in key areas, enhancing flexibility and mobility during dynamic activities such as hiking, climbing, or tactical maneuvers. Reinforced knees and seat add durability and protection in high-wear areas, while adjustable waist and cuffs ensure a personalized fit for maximum comfort and security. 8. Alfar Fire Starter. Alfar Fire Starter is an indispensable tool for outdoor enthusiasts, survivalists, and adventurers seeking reliable fire starting capabilities in any situation. Crafted with precision and durability in mind, this fire starter utilizes a ferrocerium rod and a striker to produce a shower of sparks, igniting tinder and fuel with ease. Built to withstand the rigors of the outdoors, the Fire Steel features a rugged construction that ensures longevity and performance in any environment. Its compact size and lightweight design make it easy to carry in a pocket, backpack, or emergency kit, ensuring it's always on hand when needed most. 9. Skywad Survival Gear. This professional package is for people who enjoy hiking, camping, fishing, outdoor sports, and adventure. 38 pieces multi-function accessories, packed with gadgets. It provides travelers with the most comprehensive and safest outdoor survival gear. Camping backpack has a large capacity and is waterproof and cold. The main backpack can hold all kinds of camping equipment, with special pockets next to it for cell phones, charging cables, and other electronic devices. With a full range of high-quality medical first aid supplies, essential items such as tweezers, scissors, tape, pins, bandages, wood pad, bandage triangular, cotton buds, etc. Perfect for taking care of any medical emergency. When camping or traveling outdoors, there are always some problems. This outfit will be a great companion on the road to help you solve problems. In the event of a survival emergency, a versatile axe, folding shovel, emergency tent, and compass. 10. Antarctica Survival Gear. Complete first aid plus variety of tools. Antarctica 60-in-1 professional emergency survival kits contain upgrade compass carabiner, 11-in-1 multifunctional plier, wire saw, water bottle clip, emergency thermal blanket, EDC survival tool card, flintstone, scraper, 3 models tactical flashlight, fishing hook, line, bait, 6-in-1 camping utensils, whistle, LED mini light, black waterproof box, and so on. The storage box is constructed of military-grade dabs material, waterproof, lightweight, and compact for easy carrying. It can be easily packed in your backpack, car vehicle trunk, or bug-out bag. Perfect for camping, hiking, and wilderness adventures. 11. Spica Binocular Harness. Spica Binocular Harness Chest Pack is an essential accessory for outdoor enthusiasts, hunters, birdwatchers, and adventurers who demand convenience, accessibility, and comfort when carrying their binoculars. Meticulously designed with functionality and durability in mind, This chest pack offers a secure and ergonomic solution for keeping binoculars close at hand while on the move. Crafted from high-quality materials, the Spica binocular harness chest pack ensures longevity and reliability in the field. Its rugged construction provides protection for valuable optics, shielding them from scratches, impacts, and the elements. The pack's adjustable straps and harness system distribute weight evenly across the chest and shoulders, reducing fatigue and allowing for extended wear during outdoor activities. Featuring multiple pockets and compartments, the chest pack offers convenient storage for additional gear such as rangefinders, GPS devices, smartphones, or small essentials. 12. GadgetsFact Mini Pocket Knife. GadgetsFact Mini Praxis Folding Knife for those seeking a compact yet capable everyday carry (EDC) knife. The GadgetsFact Mini Praxis packs a surprising punch. This small but mighty folder blends functionality, durability, and style into a package perfect for urban adventures and light outdoor tasks. Don't underestimate its size. Measuring just 3.81 inches closed and weighing 2.56 ounces, the Mini Praxis disappears neatly in your pocket without weighing you down. The deep carry clip ensures discreet and comfortable carrying throughout the day. The heart of the knife is its 2.98-inch blade. Choose from either D2 steel, known for its edge retention and ease of sharpening, or Damascus steel, offering unique aesthetics and good durability.